Hello. Once again, Tammy and I are out getting some exercise. We're going to visit Moody Gardens. And up there's the aquarium. And you can see here, over there's the Moody Gardens Hotel. Over there's the water park. And just up here is also the Rainforest Pyramid. I think there's a Discovery Center too for the kids, but you got to be here at Christmas time when this whole area is lit up with all kinds of Christmas lights. It's really, really great. But you can see the Rainforest Pyramid over there. And we're going to visit it in the aquarium today. It's a really, really nice area back in here. So come along with us as we enjoy Moody Gardens. There you get a good shot of the Rainforest Pyramid. And I think the otters are back behind here too. And there's the aquarium. You can't miss the pyramids. It's just a real nice park. And it's pretty quiet today. What is this, Wednesday?
Yes.
Not quite spring break yet, so pretty quiet.
Next week will be crazy.
The weekends are kind of busy, but right now it's really lovely. So Tammy and I usually come to Moody Gardens just to help support them, and it's always a really nice day when you visit the rainforest and the aquarium. And we'll bring you some video of inside, but it's just a real nice place, and it's not overly expensive for what you get to see, and it's really nice for the kids too. So come along with us. We're just entering the Rainforest Pyramid. Some kind of frog or something. Look at this big thing.
Oh dear.
It's a tomato frog, it says. This is the very entrance. Well, I don't see anything in there. It's probably hiding. It's got some good sound effects too. You can see the shrew up there. He's pretty brightly colored. I don't see any of the others in here, but...
Actually, the squirrel. Prevost squirrel.
I'm sorry?
It's actually the Prevost squirrel.
Oh, Prevost squirrel. Okay, Tammy corrected me. You can see him there, he's cute.
That shrew might be on top.
Oh, there's another little one right up there. Yeah, he's cute. This is the river otter display. You can see them out there, I think. At least they were out there. Maybe we'll get a better shot of them a little bit later. But they have this whole area to themselves. Maybe we get a better shot of them a little bit later. There they are. We're up on the second floor of the rainforest. They've been playing pretty good out there. They're pretty big. You can see, get an idea just how big they are. Look at him on that tree trunk. They've got the free reign of this whole display here, which is really enormous. I guess would have to be for animals that big. But probably enjoying the sun. Okay, we're gonna enter the rainforest back here. Okay, we are just entering the rainforest. And as you can imagine, it's very humid in here. There's all kinds of ducks and animals, and I think there's a big giant sloth somewhere. Usually crawling around up there in the canopy. But like I said, we're up on the second floor right now. So we'll go this way, see what we can find. Like I said, it's really humid in here. Oh, looky here, Tim. Not sure what kind of a bird it is, but if I get a, ooh, he's pretty. Pretty bird. And of course, this is an open air place, so all the animals just roam free kind of in here. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, there's a sloth. They're just crawling around in the upper canopy. You never know where they're at. But there's a bird over there. And like I say, pretty big rainforest pyramid. And most of the time the animals are just roaming free in here, so you got to kind of look up too. Look at this flower. This plant. That's something. See, you'll have to look up because there's stuff above you all the time. It's really a lot of fun here. I really enjoy coming here. Oh, you get to see some birds down there. Yeah, colorful, aren't they? Like I say, you have to look everywhere because there's just lots of different things in here. Nice little waterfall. And you have to look up in the canopy because you never know what you'll see up there. But some beautiful, beautiful birds. Okay, how many of you have actually seen a coconut tree? Well, there's one right there. And you can see it's got coconuts on it. But Oh, there's a lot of ants crawling on this thing. I think it's a cockatoo or something down there that will get down that way. You can see these vent pipes there along the edges of the walkway. There's air conditioning blowing out there. So if you get a little bit too warm, you can always stand in front of those air conditioning vents just a little bit and kind of cool down. But of course, like I said, it's very humid in here. It's a tropical rainforest, like a jungle. Most of the animals in here live in the jungles. So you can see how the foliage just grows up into the top of the pyramid. Just a gorgeous plant sticking out here. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's got some beautiful flowers on it.
This is the cannonball tree, which is cannonball. And this is a great example of what's called cauliflower. You may notice that the branches where the leaves are at are smooth. And then
Well, this flower is just amazing. And I wish you had smell-o-vision because it smells like clove and cinnamon. It's just absolutely beautiful. You can see how it opens up. It's a cannonball plant. Here you can see the sloths. You stretching out there? Here you get to see them.
enjoy your day.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of bats up there. But you can see that one crawling up the fence over there. Don't you wish you could sleep like that? Look at that, how they're all curled up. The long claws they got to crawl up there. There's all kinds of bats down there. Now we're inside the cloud forest. It's a lot cooler in here. You can cool down a little bit. There's all kinds of exhibits in here too. Ooh, look at that frog up there. Look at how brightly colored that frog is.
Poison dart frog.
I've often read that the more colorful they are, the more poisonous they are. Now, I don't know if that always holds true, but
Down here at the bottom.
look at that one down there. Wow. What, are you saying that because it's...
No, the males are usually colored green.
Oh. We always are. You can see the iguana back there. It looks just like the tree branch. But this is... I don't know, I can't pronounce it.
Cascaded.
Here you can see a snake. can see that viper back there. Can't really see it too good, but it's all coiled up. It's an eyelash viper. The status, I think, equates to its endangered status. You can see a porcupine up there. Can't really see his face, but you can see just how big he is. He's got a fairly big place here. You can see how big he is compared to like the tree in there. Okay, from the upper canopy up in the clouds, we're going back into the Rainforest pyramid. Now we're on the ground floor level of the pyramid. And like I say, this is all open so that the animals are roaming around in here, and they have park officials here to make sure, you know, nobody touches the animals or the animals don't get too close to people like the sloths a while ago. But check out that flower. Isn't that beautiful? That's absolutely gorgeous. There's some white ones here. It's just, you know, oh, Molly ain't gonna want to look at that. She's not gonna look at that. But there's a spider in there somewhere. Anyway. It's really, really cool in the rainforest in here. And they have water running through here to make it sure, you know, it's like a habitat. Some ducks down there. Look at that big fish swimming through there. Yeah, looks like it'd swallow one of them ducks. You can see him back there. This is a Komodo dragon. It looks like a tree line back there, but it's a pretty big dragon. It looks like there's only one in here, but he looked at me a while ago. Yum, he says. Of course, not all of the birds or the animals belong to the rainforest, like the Komodo dragon, but they're here in the temperature-controlled environment where it's warm and moist. I'm not sure what those birds are, but they're really colorful. Well, the sloth is up there in the tree, but it's kind of hard to get it. It's in the center of the picture, but it's all curled up in a tree limb up there against the top, so it's kind of hard to see him or her. You can make it out up there. It's all kind of curled up there, but it roams free in here, just like a lot of the other animals. A while ago we were walking through here and a bird flew right by my head. This place is really, really cool, especially for the kids. You got a beautiful flowers, beautiful trees. Look at this tree here. Great for the kids, but you know, you gotta watch them. He's gonna walk right up here by me.
These are the crown pigeons,
I can understand the name.
and they are the second tallest pigeon species. Here's a rural. So the little sign back there said rural crossing.
See that golden bird up there? You can see the birds. Wow, look out! They'll just come flying at me. Beautiful. I was standing here and they all just come flying right at me. Wow. You can see the birds of the, what you call them, crowns, what? Oh yeah. They just walk free in here and, you know, they don't bother you. You just let them walk on by. It's absolutely beautiful inside here. In different times of the year with the plants. Are bloomed out at different times of the year. Another really beautiful plant here. It's really nice because there isn't a lot of people here right now, so you can really take your time and, you know, you don't have a lot of people. Ooh. It's kind of unnerving when the birds come either walking right up to you or flying right by your head. And you can see that they've got food set out on little trays around the pyramid. You never know what you're going to walk right up to. See, tucked right back in there is a bird. Now, like I say, they all just roam free. They take great pride in the Moody Gardens, and they really should. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. And they do a lot of research here as well. On plants and animals, and you'll see when we get over to the aquarium. Well, this is supposed to be an ocelot. I'm not sure exactly where he's at, or they're at. Mayan breadnut. You can really take your time and check out all the different plants and animals. Sometimes it's really hard for them to see. They blend right into the forest. The red-flowered sea grape, and I think it's that right there. But you can see where some of the things that we take for granted come from. See that? Allspice. A lot of things come from the rainforest. The spices that we use every day, we take for granted. But where do they come from? You know, That's why there's a lot of people that's really concerned about the Amazon rainforest. Okay, this is just what I was talking about. This is a beautiful, beautiful place. Oops. Hi there. Okay, I'll back out of your way. Beautiful. You know, we were talking about that cannonball plant a while ago that smelled like cinnamon and clove. Well, this is the bottom of the tree. You can see it goes way up there. And this part of the tree blooms at a different time than the top part. Maybe because of sun, I don't know, but this is the bottom of that tree. Lots of fish. And you'll get drift on because it's very humid in here. There's lots of water droplets. Beautiful place. It really, really is. See, that was the cannonball tree that we were talking about. Ooh, look at these flowers. Bromeliad. Bird just flew right by my head. Have you ever watched the movie Medicine Man with Sean Connery, and they were talking about bromeliads? They were down in the Amazon rainforest as part of the plot of the movie. Well, this is a better look at what those flowers look like that grew at the top of the canopy. I don't know if you can see that big fish swimming down in there or not.
The airplane is a very long fin. You might do better restricting your steps. The
Over there?
midday in here is so hard with the sun.
Yeah.
That's when we're able to take off fast.
Get over here in the shade a little bit.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Oh, look, we got a turtle coming up. Oh, we have three types of turtles here. We have the Amazon river turtle. It has all the shoots. We have a soft-shell river turtle here. And they're called the river turtle. And they're safe to come in the soft-shell.
There are some huge, huge fish in
And
there.
then our third species is the matcha turtle. And the sun is really hard right now, my apologies.
See that fish right there? I think probably 6 foot, 7 foot long.
We have 4 dogs in the cat.
We're not getting anything else until we put down in the water. We'll get another.
Understood. This was a pacu. This doesn't count us. So we're kind of moving them out here. Not giving much.
There's some sea rays in there too.
Getting like a filter to this
Huge, huge fish. Look at that thing.
We've talked about it and we decided to really think about it. We don't know if you're fishing.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. A pretty bird. There's that big fish again. There's some huge turtles in there too. Got a nice little waterfall that keeps the water moving, keeps it aerated. And I'm sure it's very well regulated too for the fish. But it's just a gorgeous place. There you can see that big fish. Whoop, whoop. Oh, there. Look at that fish. Look at them things. Look how huge those are. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Pretty bird. Oh God, there's another one. I don't know if this is going to come out or not, but you see that big snake down in there? It's an anaconda. And its head goes up the side. And that's its head up there. And it goes back into that area back in there.
All the way up.
The piranhas in there. Well, underneath is the waterfall. There's more bats. It's just an absolute joy to me to walk through the Rainforest Pyramid. We really, really enjoy it. Sometimes you have to watch where you walk. We went that way. That's where we came from.
Yeah.
But it's really nice, like right now, you can spend as much time as you want. Some kind of a balloon. Something. I'm not sure where it is in here, but the glass is off. Humid, so maybe you can't see it. Right there.
The hornbill?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I know that. I'm looking for the
You can, through the glass, you can see the hornbill, but it's difficult because the glass has a lot of humidity on the water, so. Oh, there it is. Still hard to see.
Oh, cool.
There it is, kind of. There's one of the labs where they do a lot of research. You can see back there is the Bushmaster.
Oh, there it is, look.
It's huge.
Yeah, here, come over here. Good eye. Right under here.
We're in snake heaven in here. It's still part of the rainforest, but we're heading towards the exit where they have lots of different animals. But you can look at some of these cave cockroaches too. Cotton picking things are just enormous. Look at that thing. Brazilian white knee tarantula.
Oh my gosh.
I think that's the biggest spider I ever saw in my life. Wow. Nasty. Another one of the labs where they, I imagine, prepare a lot of the meals for the insects and animals. Okay, we're going to get ready to exit, but the Rainforest Cafe is it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Rainforest Pyramid, I should say, but they have a cafe right outside here, which we're probably going to stop and get something to drink and sit for a little bit. We'll bring you the aquarium here in just a few minutes. It's been a wonderful day. You can get an idea from the map here where everything's at. But I'm here at Moody Gardens. It's been a wonderful, wonderful day. We've had a lot of fun watching the penguins and sitting in the main ocean view tank and the Rainforest Pyramid. We've had a great day, and all told we spent about 2.5 hours here, but it was just a great day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're down here in Galveston, I recommend a visit to Moody Gardens. So long.